Yeah, it's just a new day, bro. But honestly, bro, today, I just, just want to keep meditating, just keep on focusing on God, just keep on doing better in life. I had a wonderful day in the markets, I've been saved, bro. I know where the market is going. It's just sometimes, I'm either too early for the flight or I'm too late. So that's all I have to work on. I have to work on, just being patient, waiting for my entries, waiting for my entry alert to come into play. And honestly, just take it. Once I see, okay, I waited for my confirmation. I waited for the market to do what it do. I'm being patient. I'm not being anxious in the markets. Waiting for the market to tell me what to do. I'm not just being anxious and just entering the market just because I want to make money. No, I'm actually waiting for my entry, waiting for the market to do what it need to do, and then I'm gonna enter. So in the markets, you don't want to be anxious because that's how you're gonna lose money. And I learned that so many times, bro. You have to be patient, wait for everything you need to wait for, and then everything's gonna come to play. So I just took a shower, I'm about to go to the gym, I'm about to get ready, I have a big day ahead of me. I reached my goal for this week, so I don't need to keep on trading. I already reached my goal. Next week my goal is to pass phase 1. And honestly, in August my goal is to pass phase 2 too, so basically get funded. And by September my goal is to get my first payout. So I gotta stick to my goals, stick to what I'm doing. And hopefully everything's gonna work out, But I'm gonna see y'all soon. Remember I say always say God bless. Keep on pushing, bro. Keep on pushing toward your goals. You're going to get to where you need to get to. But first, you got to change, bro. You got to change to become the best person you need to be, So I'm going to see y'all soon. Keep on that first. I'm going to see y'all soon. So right now I'm about to go to the gym. I'm getting ready to go to the gym. You always gotta get your body right. You gotta keep on, health, wealth, and spiritual. Spiritual, health, and wealth. You always gotta be aligned with all those three. So one thing in your daily routines, I feel like you guys should add going to the gym every day because it just it increases your dopamine. It increases your endorphins, it increases everything about your body. That, it just helps you become a better person, especially in the markets too. It helps you actually perform better. We don't want to be lazy. We don't want to be doing the same things that we don't need to be doing, So we got to push ourselves every day. And that's what I do at the gym. I'm on the way to the gym right now. This is the journey, bro. This is the journey of becoming a profitable trader, man. And this is the journey, man, on actually. I'm going to show you guys actually me getting funded, going through the losses, going through the wins and everything I need to go through in order to reach my goal. My goal is to get max funded with Blue Guardian and Aqua, and honestly every platform that's out there. My goal is to be funded for 7 figures, so I can easily be able to extract whatever amount I want, because I have the leverage, I have the capital, and that's all I desire. I desire to inspire everybody through my journey of me taking on this journey of becoming profitable, man, and honestly passing prop firms, losing too, but it's just a lesson at the end of the day. But that's just what I feel like God's calling me to do, just to inspire everybody, man, that they can actually do this journey too, man. They can actually become their own bank without having to risk their life for money, without having to risk their time for money, and that's just where I come in. So I actually love the journey. I'm not gonna lie, even through the losses, even through the wins, the lessons, and everything, bro. I actually love the journey I'm on because it makes me a better person every day. Alright, bro. So like I said, bro, we're on the journey. I'm on the journey, bro. I'm becoming a profitable trader, bro, and honestly getting funded for 7 figures in trading capital, So I appreciate everybody for watching my journey, man. And honestly, I didn't take any trades today. Like I said, I got the account back up from 96 back to 104 this week. well, last week and this week, man, I was working hard in the markets, bro. Just studying, back testing, and you know, it's paying off. So my goal is to pass phase 1. You know, I just want to be patient and I just want to be disciplined enough. I took a trade a day, but I closed. That was basically a break even. You know, I said it's a Friday. I don't want to keep on trading on a Friday. You know, so next week I'm gonna be patient, wait for another trade, probably on USD or probably on gold. Doesn't matter. Whichever one gives me opportunity, I'm gonna take it. I feel like I like USD more. It's kind of more simple, just simple price action. You know, not a lot of wicks, not a lot of fake outs. You know, so that's what I'm doing. So I just gotta be patient. But yes, like I say, we gotta put God first, number one in everything. So right now I'm doing Uber Eats, bro. I just gotta keep on stacking, bro, so I can bet on my own personal account. And then yeah, you know, just gotta keep on pushing. But this is the journey, man. I'm becoming a powerful trader, bro. When it comes to God, my journey. I'm gonna see you guys soon.
Misunderstanding, fear, anxiety, and so on. But what we plant, it must return to us. You see, the human mind